Okay, Tech Explorers, here we've got the oscilloscope view of the Atari Punk console, one of the most famous circuits for the 556 timer. This thing sounds really crazy. If you played video games back in the 1980s, you'd have to be an old man like me, but if you did, then you'll recognize this thing sounds a little bit like the old Atari from back in the day. Now the oscilloscope is showing you the voltage as a function of time on the output pin of the 556 timer that is driving the speaker. So the oscilloscope is on pin 8 of the IC, or excuse me, pin 9.